The StabilitySupport.com website may deceive unsuspecting visitors by displaying a misleading "you visited an illegal infected website" message. If users are constantly redirected to StabilitySupport.com, it is possible that they have adware, a browser hijacker, or a potentially unwanted program installed on their computer. It is possible to install an adware program bundled together with a freeware app or while browsing some ad-infested website. In most cases, StabilitySupport.com displays fake messages or notifications that direct users to a third-party website for further instructions on how to repair their computer or device. This scam has been reported many times online, showing just how successful these actors are at deceiving people into believing they have unknowingly done something that could lead to potential security issues. Websites like StabilitySupport.com also attempt to make you believe that the warnings are being sent via a reputable source. At times it may use, without permission, the name, logo, and branding of McAfee. But keep in mind that the McAfee company is in no way connected to StabilitySupport.com. StabilitySupport.com and other similar websites may claim to have scanned your device for malware threats, but really, the site does not have that kind of functionality, and the results that are provided are entirely fabricated. It is merely a tactic employed to convince users into interacting with the message's content. In some cases, however, users may actually be taken to the page of a legitimate software product, as websites like StabilitySupport.com may profit from purchases made via affiliate links and earn commissions. If you are ever unsure whether an online page is genuine or not, be sure to research before taking any action. Check the website's URL for suspicious patterns and search the site on Google to see if other users have had any experiences with it. Additionally, you can look up reviews from trusted sources that provide information about potentially malicious websites. How do I protect myself from websites like StabilitySupport.com? It is important to understand the risks associated with visiting websites like StabilitySupport.com and to protect yourself against these types of cyber threats. Be sure to conduct regular computer scans with a reputable malware remediation tool. Additionally, practice safe online habits. For example, if you happen to come across a website that looks suspicious or makes you feel uncomfortable in any way, it is best not to click on any links or enter any personal information on the page. By taking proper precautions and being aware of the potential risk associated with visiting untrustworthy websites, you can help keep your data secure and avoid falling victim to cyber scams. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.